the
Weight.
engine of 200cc and it is single cylinder and it has got trellis frame, India's first bike with trellis frame, and it has got nice two wheels. It is the wheel which has some 150 by 60 with a nice wheelbase, and it's MRF Japa tires. It has got nice grip when you can perform a very nice turns and all in this bike. It has got aluminum swing ram, so you can bear it. You can see that it can't bear weight. Okay, it can bear weight up to 200 kgs, more than that, and you can see front wheel and has got nice headlight. Come this way. Has got nice headlight, nice body graphics and all. And you can see this signal lights, engine kill switch, and lamp adjuster and signals and horn, and nice digital multi cockpit and signal lights, and it has brake fluid which is of like by BRE. It's international standard. It's international standard. Next. What more to say? This bike has got every specification. It is truly multi-tasking vehicle. It is used as a street fighter and sports bike, and whatever the purpose it is, just the bike is super standard. Super standard bike it is. Wait, I'll on this. Once let me switch on this. You see, when I switch on, come here. See, when I switch on the bike, you'll get some, ready to race. By looking at that, you'll get tempted, okay, and you'll race like anything, and you won't even mind what type of thing it is. You can find a lot of annotations in this. Like you can find the gear, which gear you are, and speedometer, temperature, and fuel gauge, odometer, tachometer, trip meter, and still average traveling distance, and fuel efficiency, distance to empty, the average speed, and service time, and still lot is there to say. It's not enough to say, no. But see, signal light is like super awesome. Okay? Like the signal lights are latest design, not like R15 and all, like generally designed. Okay? And see, when you compare, I'm especially targeting the R15. It has Ford bike, even 150cc everything. It just looks like some 1000cc bike, but still it is 150cc bike. Okay, it's not like overaction. It's designed simply. It's designed by Austrian company, okay, by KTM. I'm saying, okay, now see, this bike is, you can modify this bike as fully loaded. Okay, whatever you can modify this bike. You can put the stickers, you can put a lot of graphics, and you can put one cylinder and exhaust, under belly exhaust. You can feel the sound when you're on the bike. You get tempted. Okay, when you go on the bike, okay, when you put the clutch and just you move the bike, full on temptation on the road. Almost everyone look at it. See, wait, now it shows the sound of this bike. Not like in general bikes, you'll get no sound and all. It has some unique property. It has some special sound. Some special tone. It sounds like two-stroke, but it is four-stroke bike. Okay. Wait, let me hit this one. Side stand is there, sorry. Sound itself creates a lot of adrenaline rushing. It's not a small thing. Want still more? And you know the main 0 to 60, okay, it will reach within 3 seconds. It will reach the 100 mark within 7 seconds, and its top speed is some 138. It's locked in India. When you unlock that, okay, you can reach up to 180. It's not a, you can reach triple digit speed within a second. It's got a lot of power. And suspension, you can see, it's not like in general bikes. Suspension is like it's inverted. It's fully oil loaded, and you can see the disc. It's very large disc. It's 280 mm disc. And you can see the back side disc. It is some 230 mm. And headlight is like you have a projector like view over the road, so you can go very nicely. So everything is fully loaded in this bike, guys. I really recommend this bike, okay, if anybody asks. Now the present it's running the